Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I want to discuss one of the most asked questions that I get from clients when it comes to immigration. That is, what is a green card and how do I get one? There are several ways to get a green card. A few of the most common ones would be family-based, employment, if you are a victim of abuse, or asylum. Today we will focus on the first category, which would be the family-based immigration. So first, what is a green card? The green card itself is the card that the USCIS gives to permanent residents that are eligible to become a US citizen later on. Before, it was actually called an alien resident. It was not green. I was able to see one through one of my clients that was applying for a citizenship. The person that has the green card would be a green card holder, or called a permanent resident. A permanent resident has been granted to live and work in the US on a permanent basis. Think of permanent residents almost US citizens because they do have a lot of the benefits that a US citizen has. However, one of the things that you cannot do if you are a green card holder is to vote during election. So when it comes to a family-based petition, who is eligible for a green card? So first is the main priority would be any immediate relative of a US citizen. So what does immediate relative mean? So immediate relatives are spouse, children that are under 21 years old, or children that are over 21 years old. So the first priority would be spouse of a US citizen, children under 21 years old, and parents of a US citizen. The second preference are the other relatives of US citizen or a green card holder, unmarried son or daughter of a US citizen but over 21, married son or daughter of a US citizen, brother or sister of a US citizen who is over 21. The next category would be family members of a green card holder. First would be immediate relatives as well, which is the spouse, unmarried child under 21, unmarried son or daughter over 21. So you can notice that when it comes to green card holders compared to a US citizen, there's no sibling petition when it comes to green card holders. So a green card holder cannot petition his or her sister in the US to become a green card holder as well. Now, that's not to say that there are no other pathway to citizenship. It's just that when it comes to family-based, you cannot acquire citizenship through that. The second disadvantage of green card holders compared to a US citizen would be the fiancé visa. So in a US citizen, you can actually petition your fiancé. However, if you are a green card holder and you propose to someone who is not a US citizen, then your only alternative would be to get married to your fiancé and then file for a spousal visa afterwards. So as I mentioned, these categories have certain preferences. The lower the preferences are, the likely that your petition would take longer. You can always check the USCIS visa bulletin so that you can see the actual timeline of when they are working on these cases. I've seen US citizens that are filing for their sibling that do take 10-20 years depending on when it was filed, which country it was filed. So those are things to consider when applying for a family-based petition. There are other ways to get a green card, not just the family-based. I will discuss that in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. On our next episode, we will talk about green card through employment and how their dependents can come to the US. So specifically, one of the most common ones would be H-1B visa. So what are the benefits of H-1B visa? How can you get one? So we will talk about that on our next video. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We have our initial consultation form through our website. You can always fill that out, and then we will try our best to contact you as soon as possible to see if we can help. Thank you so much for watching.